No way. No. Oh, wait.
Wala ka, your sister. Wait, naman siya. It's, ang ganda. It's beautiful, oh.
Oh, I need a rebate. I need a rebate.
Tsambay, yawan ginakupan ko sa malalaki ko sa.
Like this, and that, and this, and that, and that, and this, here. Diba? And then,
Ito yung organism. Mineral organism. System na
Personality system, social, cultural system. Gagaya? Tapos na?
yes, we're done. Thank you so much.
Palantang.
This is the Apuangan style. And this is the County Downtown style. So simple. Just like, you know,
Guminang pang pag-ay English siya. Tagalog mo pagkapon.
yes.
Guminang English.
I don't want English in my understand.
Welcome. Uy, Micaela, welcome ka sa mga vlogger mo.
Hi! Yun! May story ko sa inyo. Diba? I have a YouTube channel. Then I post all my videos there. Because like someone is post story. So yeah, pinost ko dito. And then for 1 week, 2 weeks, videos all about sa Yes! Promise. Screenshot ko sa GC.
Professional vlogger na nasa someday. Sa gahod, ga-vlog si Micaela. Lang kami.
parte lang kami dapat mag-aral.
Kay Micaela niya.